Perfect, perfect, perfect. First stop, we're gonna go ahead and check out JD Sports and see what basketball sneakers they got in stock. So as you can see, for the basketball selection, they do have some variety. Up tempos, they got even the adjacent kids. This is like that patent leather situation going on too, as they do on the Jordan 1 lows. 160 on the retail. Translucent outsole. For you guys hooping out there, are you guys a fan of the translucent outsole, or do you guys feel like it doesn't really do the job? I hear mixed reviews when it comes to basketball sneakers with translucent outsoles. It got some nice leather quality on the upper. Definitely a low cut shoe. Does have some weight to it. Might be a pretty good shoe. I think the traction might be well too, but give me your thoughts overall. Got the KD Trey 510 in this red colorway, which we've seen before. This is KD's budget model for hooping. Definitely a good basketball shoe with a lot of tech. You got the Air Zoom in there, and you got some React also, Renew. So we got the newest colorway, the Safari colorway of the Jordan Luka 1. Definitely a dope colorway, 110 on the retail. Definitely a lightweight shoe, and I do have a review on my channel. This definitely has some breathable room. It's a lightweight shoe and it's low cut. Got that Formula 23 foam that they use for the Jordan sneakers. What do you think about this one? Of this LeBron 20, which is definitely a great shoe for hooping in. A lot of good reviews when it comes to the traction on here and just the fit, lightweight shoe. You don't see these at too many different stores, this colorway. Let me know if you guys are feeling the all-star vibe or not. This is probably my favorite colorway. I've heard some pretty good things. You got the full air on the midsole, which is a really good thing for bounce and response when you're actually hooping. Witness 7 performance basketball shoe. So you definitely should try this out. The traction on here is definitely not bad either. Definitely a good cop when you come to your price point and value on the court. If you hooped in these, give us some feedback on them. But overall, I've heard good things about this, maybe like an 8 out of 10. Immortality, the Giannis Immortality, which is a very light shoe. Also Giannis's budget model. Heard a lot of good things about this when it comes to training on the court. You definitely could hoop in a game in these too. And they got a lot of good colorways. And like I said, it's always on sale or either under $100 because it's the Nike budget model. And even the black and white colorway is here for 55 bucks. Then we got the KD Trey 510 in a black and white colorway. So their basketball selection for sneakers is definitely on point here. Let me know if there's something here that you guys will grab to hoop in. And over here to the Jordan section, they do have some sneakers over here. Of course, we got the beautiful Playoff 13s, very classic Jordan sneaker that I do own in my collection. I had to scoop this up, and I'm surprised that it's available as it is, but it's probably just the timing. We got the 7s here still too, and a few colorways. We also have these Aqua 5s, which is something I am a fan of. Not so much for hooping, more for casual wear, even though this is technically a basketball sneaker. This Jordan 5 is definitely on point for style. More casual wear of the Jordans. We got these right here. Let me know what you guys think about this color combination on this Jordan low. This colorway is definitely not bad. Got the brown outsole, purple with the purple laces. We got the Craft Jordan 1 low. Then we have it also in the mid colorway. So I guess it's like the same pack from the low and the mid. I definitely like the color combination on the low much better than this mid colorway, but that's my opinion. Let me know if you guys agree with that. They do have another Jordan low here too with the black and soft pink, some suede material on that toe box. That's actually not bad. And then it has like a translucent outsole too. The Dub Zero, which is also another basketball shoe out there that people wear probably for casual wear if they do pick these up. Got the laser on the side. Let me know what you guys think about the Dub Zeros. Then we have a newer colorway of this yeah, this one got the suede on it too, just like that Jordan low did. For the Jordan mid, it's like the UNC colorway. I've had a few people ask me about these. These are definitely not bad. Some pretty cool leather quality. You got suede on the back panels as well on a toe box. Retail 135, translucent blue outsole. These are actually not that bad, man. Which ones do you guys like the most? Air Max 95s right here in the gray colorway with some 3M on them. What do you guys think about these in the comments below? Not a bad shoe, 175 on the retail. Air Max pre-day on sale for 95 bucks as opposed to 135. I like the color combination for this one. Sliding over here, they do have some dunks. What do you guys think about this one in the comment section below? You got the Just Do It 2023. What is this, 120 on the retail? Copper pass, what size is this? Definitely not a bad shoe. I like the color combination on this one too, but more for the grade school, I guess, or women's. This is a size 7Y in hand. So they have a Jordan Elevate and another colorway. So many colorways of Jordan Elevate. Let me know if you guys are feeling this one or not for the ladies out there, 135. Plus they still got some of these on deck too, a few sizes left when it comes to the women's. And they also have this dunk, which we've seen at another location, I believe. Yeah, we definitely have. What do you guys think about this dunk? Along with those Jordan 3 retros there too. Unique colorway of the Air Max 95. Haven't seen this color combination on here, I don't believe. 130 on the retail. Air Max 95 for the ladies. So we have Foot Locker right here. Let's go ahead and check and see what's going on there. Never seen this one. I definitely have seen this one in stock. $200 on the retail for the Jordan 2 lows. This is a bigger size right here. Not sure what size this is, but definitely a bigger size. Did you guys scoop these up or pass on them? Not bad. Basketball selection here. Great selection of basketball sneakers here at this House of Hoops and the Culver City Mall. We got KD 15s, Kyrie Infinities. Even got the newest colorway of the KD 15, the All-Star colorway, which we definitely talked about. Let me know if you guys think about this. Let's put it there in the light. Definitely a good basketball shoe. One of his best so far from the way it looks, as well as comfortability. Do I have a review of this on my channel? Not sure. But let me know what you guys think about this KD 15 All-Star colorway. Retail for these is $160. And they got the All-Star Zoom Freak 4. Of course, we talked about this plenty of times. Definitely a good shoe. And this colorway is dope too as well. And then they got the KD 15 BPMs. As you guys can see, beats per minute, 86 beats per minute. On sale for $119, which is a good steal for this basketball sneaker. They have the KD 15s that I believe these glow in the dark in the bottom. $119 on sale for those. This right here on sale. This LeBron jersey, 75th anniversary, very dope one. What size is this? I don't know. It looks like it could be my size, maybe a little bigger, 56. But $7.99, you definitely can't pass that up. So we scooping that for sure. They got some other things here on sale. Okay. But yeah, no, we're definitely gonna grab this right here. This is definitely a steal. What kind of retail arbitrage shit is this? Definitely a good basketball sneaker for steal. The Dame Lillard Shaq Gnosis, man. 69 bucks as opposed to 150. That's kind of crazy. Normally don't see things this cheap, but that's a steal right there. I like that. 69 bucks. The best basketball shoes when it comes to Puma, the MB.02. All the colorways, J, Supernova, Rookie of the Year, and the Phenom. Of the ones that have released so far, of course, we got the Rick and Morty out there too. Comment below which colorway of the MB.02 do you guys like the most. For Adidas basketball, they do have this Kobe Adidas right here in the Laker colorway. Saw this at one other store. First time seeing this in a flex location. They also got them over there on display. Definitely a pretty good basketball shoe. I had the black colorway and the silver colorway when they first came out. Let me know what you guys think about these. Kind of like a space shoe. Not sure how they will perform compared to all the other shoes out there on the market, but the price point of $150 is not bad. And if you love Kobe, maybe you want to grab these. Dame 8, Mr. Incredible. We definitely seen this before. This colorway is loud. One of the better models, one of the best sneakers for Dame Lillard is the Dame 8. Heard a lot of good things about it. Normally 140, and it is 140 right now. We got a Pro-Tro of the Derrick Rose for 109, and we got a Pro-Tro, or not a Pro-Tro, a Restimo, my bad, T-Mac also for 89 bucks, normally 130. Pretty good on that too. So their Jordan section over here has definitely stepped up since the last time I came here. 37s, we got Westbrooks here, we got Jordan Retros here as well. It's crazy to see. I mean, we got the Jordan 13s playoffs, which we saw at the last store. Very dope shoe, very classic shoe. How long will this shoe sit in stores? Jordan 5 Aquas, definitely a dope shoe as well with some good quality. And then they still have these on deck. I don't know how many sizes they have left of the Jordan 2 Lucky Greens, aka Celtic colorway. Not mad at this shoe at all. 110 on the retail. What do you guys think about this one? No, 110. Excuse me, 175 on the retail. The Space Jam mids here on deck too, which we've seen it plenty of times with the translucent blue outsole. I like this one a lot. Very shiny. Looks like you can wear this with a suit or something like that too. This is a really good basketball performance shoe as well, and it is lightweight. If you're not mad at the Westbrook the way it looks, you definitely should try this shoe out. Only 79 bucks as opposed to 130 on Heritages. Not sure how many sizes they have left of this one. LeBron jerseys, but I just picked up one for $7.99. Crazy. Then you guys go ahead and check out the LeBron basketball section. LeBron 20s, LeBron 20 NXT. This one here has a mismatched shoe if you haven't seen it before. It's not really the budget model, but I mean, I don't know, maybe it is. It's still $160 on the retail. I like this blue outsole right here too. the LeBron 20 All-Star, which we've seen at the last location. And they still have the Christmas LeBron as well as the olive green one. But, you know, along with the debut, dope colorway of LeBron 20s. Of these LeBron 20s, man, let me know which ones you guys like the most. Of course, you guys see I do own this one. Full detail review on my channel. I switched the laces up because it comes with some red laces in here. I like the colorway, the red and green upper, silver midsole. I'm a big fan of this translucent outsole as well for this LeBron 20 right here. Then we got the debut colorway, which is also not bad, white and black. You got the gold Nike swoosh on there with, once again, that translucent outsole, which I'm a fan of, more for aesthetics than, you know, actual using on the court. Some people like translucent outsoles for hooping shoes, some people don't, but definitely for casual wear, this is definitely on point right here. Olive green is also a dope colorway for the LeBron 20, one of the more sophisticated, the way it looks with the suede upper as opposed to the knit upper like the other previous three have. I like this colorway and I'm looking forward to the Liverpool as well because it's all suede too. This is definitely like a fall winter vibe for me. I like the olive green colorway, not bad. And then of course they have this the All-Star colorway, probably the best, newest colorway out, but the backward swooshes, that's the big difference from all the other ones. All of these retail for 200 bucks. But of this selection right here for the LeBron 20, which one do you guys like the most? I mean, all of them are definitely dope. I'm trying to find my best picture right here. Let me get some reels before I get out of here too. So this is probably like the lowest I've seen them so far. Usually they're 89 bucks. Now we got them for 79, normally $200 retail. I have to look it up for retail arbitrage, to be honest with you. Retail arbitrage purposes, I will be back to scoop this. I'm gonna look at a few more stores before I grab this, but this is on sale for 79 bucks. I have a coupon to make it even cheaper, maybe even a gift card. They're going for a pretty good amount on Amazon. I'll show you guys one example here. Basketball shoes, the Cosmic Unities, as well as the Zoom Freak 4s, which is definitely a great shoe. Like this colorway on this one. Cosmic Unities also are always good. I like this colorway also. Haven't really got too much feedback about this one on the court, but let me know what you guys think about it. Wore this colorway, but the alternate colorway during the All-Star Saturday night, definitely fire. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. The thing about these Griffies right here, this red, black, this red, gray, and white one, gives me like Ohio State vibes. Definitely feeling this colorway. Haven't seen it just yet. Rate this one from a 1 to 10 in the comment section below. About this colorway, we definitely seen it before. Definitely looks better in this lighting. The colors are blue with the midsole, definitely a comfort. Red and trim. Blue colorway of the 2 tray. This is like the Celtic green or Lucky green colorway. Translucent blue outsole, icy blue outsole. A lot of colorways in these 2 trays that are coming out, man. Let me know if you're feeling any one of these because these are all pretty dope. A great selection of basketball sneakers here. Jason Kids, up-tempos, Zoom Freak 4s, and a few colorways, including the All-Star, some Kyrie Low 5s. Are they still full retail? Let's go ahead and check and see. 109, so yeah, it still is. LeBron 20s along with the Kyrie Infinities as well. They still have these guys still here, full retail as well. Oh no, so they have them on sale for 89 bucks now. 99 bucks for that one, so that's cool to see. They're starting to put them on sale here at Chic as well. So they do have these on deck. These Jordan 2s are now out, the Muslins. Definitely talked about these in Jordans on the way. 175 on the retail. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Very good quality on these, man. Very good quality. And rest assured that the 13s are sitting pretty much in every store I went into, which is crazy to see. And the other thing that's crazy to see, this is the only one, but every other Kyrie is back to full retail of 140. The fast forward, 130. Keep Sue Freshes. What's up with that, man? They do still have some retros here too. And they got the LeBrons over there for 119 that we just seen for 79 bucks. Already on display for the grade school. Definitely a dope colorway. Review for this sneaker coming to my channel very soon. Rick and Morty Puma hoodie, that is definitely fire to go with the MB.02s. Let me know what you guys think about this on the retail. $90. That's pretty dope sweater though, I'm not gonna lie. I also have this Puma MB.02. This the flare colorway, black with like the pink. Reminds me of like some Bret the Hitman Hart stuff. How does this line up amongst all the other colorways that are out there of the MB.02? I have a couple colorways of some classic sneakers. You got the Reebok Kobe PE Iverson with a 3 on the back. Definitely dope. Crazy to see this thing sitting here, still full retail. This classic sneaker right here, the Reebok Shaq Pump, definitely his best, probably his best sneaker, man. I like this colorway. Let me know what you guys think. So as you guys can see at this selection here at Champ Sports, they have all the colorways of the MB.02s, everything that you would actually want for the MB.02s. Let's start down here with the slimes. We have a full detailed review on feet of this sneaker. Then we got the newest colorway of the MB.02, which is the Rick and Morty. I'm definitely a fan of this colorway though. Mismatched shoes, probably the best colorway so far in my opinion. Let me know if you guys agree with that. Rookie of the Year colorway, like I said, they have every single one here. Rate this one from a 1 to 10 at the MB.02 Phenom. I like this colorway too. The black and teal colorway pretty much matches his jersey. The Jade colorway, for me personally, seeing these online before seeing them in hand, I was definitely a little bit more impressed by what I saw online. But this colorway is still not bad. I love the hint of the gold right there. Supernova, for some reason, wasn't it for me at the beginning, but now I'm liking it the more that I start to see it. Also has a translucent outsole of the MB.02s that you guys see here in front of you. Let me know which one is your favorite one in the comments below. A couple colorways of the Gil Zero Resto Mode, definitely a fire colorway. This is the OG colorway. He wore those during the 3-point shootout. Then we got the Underground colorway, which I do love. I have this one also in my collection as well. Definitely a fire sneaker, bro. Good traction. This has like a lot of bite when you wear these on the court. Definitely a good basketball sneaker. Came briefly into Nordstrom Rack just to see if they had anything on deck. And they got some crazy stuff. Look at these KD 14s. This is like a huge size. Ain't no way this is a size 13. This thing looks too big for a size 13. But the colorway is definitely fire. Never seen this on 17 and a half, and they want 82 bucks for these. Never seen this KD colorway though. This thing is fire. Is this a team colorway or not? Super dope colorway for the KD 15 or 14. Not mad at those at all. Then they have this big size right here for the Kyrie 7. What size is this shit? 14 and a half for $76. This blue colorway, definitely a dope Kyrie 7. A lot of people do like those. That's just a crazy size. Then we got 17 and a half for the Kyrie Infinity and a size 18 for these KDs. Wow. But they're still taxing. Outlet will have them for like 39 bucks. Cool gray colorway too. I mean, but they're starting to get even basketball shoes here at this location. A new colorway of the KD Trey 510. Reminds me of like Rainbow Sherbet. $95, under 100. 120, 135. This colorway is not too bad on here. Let me know what you guys think about these. What you guys think about these Alpha Boost, Alpha Bounce. I like this colorway. This shoe definitely looks interesting and like it might be really comfortable. Retail for 120. Maybe we'll look more into this shoe pretty soon.